Loila Thonozamna Mayambu, Mami Mapao gi tararak suba episode asida taram nokcheri. Effective gi so asi midyeng tabiri bapumna makpu no lukcheri. Today, we bring you the latest news and events from the world of entertainment. First of all, thank you so much again to all the fans and followers of Mami Mapao. Mami Mapao gi mamangi mapanlak suba episode ta miyam gi comments, suggestions amadi appreciation singidamak thagacheri. So asi hena phazaba, hena mapungphaba mo hena bagidamak adom gi support yam changi. So folks, please keep supporting Mami Mapao. Their subscribers ngasi gi tararak suba episode asida ihanhan boina. The renowned stylist and designer Robert Naurem hits Manipur again with his Ningthemchere fashion event with much fanfare and talents. We have a celebration of the music video Lona. We have a bunch of releases this week in line. Following up with news of Yaipathoni's ceremony, well, a lot of it. Hitting almost non-stop is the making of multiple movies soon to be released. And yet again, a happening lands indeed in Manipur because we have a news on another second edition of a fashion event named Colors of Love. Finally, we have a releasing function of the Play the Moments Season 1. Manipur gi amatangayaba Robert Naram gi Ningthemchere fashion event amadi famous faces singi interaction gi matangda paudam.
Ningthemchere haina mingthonba keeping the tradition alive haiba wakalon da yumpham oiduna mega fashion event ama iramda masigi danatana malem gi thakta sakhang naraba haibada thoidok na haiman matok na roidaba Robert Naurem na shinduna haukiba September gi tang 8 da pangthokre Hotel Imphal da pangthokiba chinglem laba thormadda maming leraba Bollywood star Avrar Jahur Miss Universe India Noyonita Lot amadi India gi sakhang naraba model Mitali Ranore na chingba kaya masu Sarugyaki. Asida sunatana, iramda masigi fashion gi taibangda soibam kanchan yauna maming leiraba leirabi niyo kiasu sarugyaduna thauram mapung fanki.
Okay, so we are with the man himself, Mr. Robert Naurem. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
This is the third edition of your fashion show, I think. What's the special thing about tonight?
It is very close to my heart. It is something to do with Manipur, and this is the first time I'm doing something in Manipur. And like with regards to the weavers, lamdamna leizariba khoi Sabi singse sakhonna khonna base yam dakar hoi atopasu yam tawrambe aina tawzariba aisu Manipur macha amoina aigi tawhom thokpani hain khalaga aigi sinja haibidi aigi sinfam samna haibida ai fashion designer amoina ai atopa firon natraga atopa da tawbe ai dubu aigi iram dam salairiba haibidi aigi pothok singse sakhonna ba khoina tawdragadi khoi gumbam na tawdragadi haibidi angang sing inkhalag lebe sing su akhoi tawbada dum follow tawragadi adura trend soin chakhrani duna fashion je khoina handloom je fashion oin ohelaga trends oin set tawr matung dadi akoi gi naha sing je sigi seasoning pharak pa dagi trends oin chakragadi sukso shoidana khoi gi kano se chakholakani market chakholakani demand hengalakani weavers hengalakani adagi saning ba de pi saning ba gi masing ju hengalakani chang se aduga sida season natra off season later oi aduna yam chawba role am ne runway rambo khai se irang pharangi nate for me this is not a fashion show, this is something to do save handloom se kanna bai damakta akoi gi fashion in medium on season araga ina sigi runways puthoka koi chatna bai damakta si event se sinjabani.
How do you find the dresses in Manipur?
I really love Manipuri culture. I mean, the dress I was wearing, I think is the most comfortable dress any man can have. Right? You can do anything in this, and it is easy to remove. It is easy to wear. So it's very nice, and it's traditional. I mean, that's what I mean. We should never forget the roots where we come from, and this is purely Indian, and Manipur is part of our culture. So obviously, it's very nice.
Guys, it's been an exciting night and we are with the Miss Universe India, Miss Noyonita Lot. Hello, Miss.
Hi, thank you so much.
First of all, congratulations on your win.
Thank you.
So how do you find Manipur?
I have come here before and I absolutely love the place. I think the people here are very talented and they're very wonderful, they're very welcoming. So I love coming to Manipur. It's one of my favorite places. I think Manipur has so much of culture, so much of beauty. And like I said, very talented. The designers, the models, the makeup artists, everyone here is very talented. And what I like about Manipur is everyone supports each other. So I think that way it's wonderful.
Hello guys, we're with the young princess of Manipur, Miss Soibam Kanchan. Hello Kanchan.
Hi, hello.
Mapandagi Manipur mo halakpase kamai phauge.
Isagi pokna famda amok halakba his outside ki experience ko learning process ne aduga mo khoi lamsda halak matam da aduga matik nungai ba phawi habte angod the new experience ama lakpani na.
So that was all. The man who has sacrificed all his life in saving the tradition and culture of Manipur, Mr. Robert Naurem's Ningtham Charay. So this is your host Tenzing signing off with cameraman Naucha, and you're watching Mami Mapao.
Yamna varied or about Ramso Money, with new lines of clothing collection hitting Manipur. The show was indeed very, very exciting. Hemanta Kumangi direction Makada Namba music video album Lona gi grand success ki celebration gi Mapao.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now we're witnessing a historic moment in Manipur music industry.
Yes, well that's because it's the first ever music video album in Manipuri music video album industry, of course, to cross the 1 lakh view in just one day. Well, that's amazing, of course.
Lona, 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 na, na, na. Yes, at the grand success celebration of the song, here is Tenzing and Strela.
And we have a very exciting, of course, at times embarrassing and, so many surprises for you guys. So let's go catch the stars and everyone who's involved.
Dipang Simadi Rina Silex and in a Kudol Tamdana Yana Chauna, Manipur Yahan Boy YouTube ta, no Makata the 100K views from my Pang Putokraba, Lona Haidiba, music video album Masigi, grand success celebration, DJ social restaurant Pantokre, Hammond the Kuman Lamzim Tanko Putokliba music video album Masida, Saknai Rebi Soma Lishram Galoina, English singer Tarataruki, Mega Mr. Notice, runners up Takraba, Susant Ras Kumarsu, artist Amoy and Nola Konda. Maruiba Mamiroi Oiri. Hamanta Kumanamadi Tony Ahiba Manigi Mayekta AJ Maisnama Madi Soma Anima Saisak Niba music video album Masigi, My Pakpagi Torma with the production in the Mike Degi, Kudol Pot Kayamasu, Lantoki.
As a lyricist, as a director, Isai is the career experience, Aduga challenges come and Pangiba, Isai is the career magic, how give I know some power is have the man than the Kanadi.
Short time the same music can it's a audio that can go to Niga Pona Yam Tele. The Rana Ion Ion have I do cook it, talked about Yam 2 minutes short Yam Tele. Same music. Dana you could have a Yara, it's a calling when that on the studio, they do say stars have the Hanatogi to the Kanuka talk by the Nana Gumba Baba Gumakusum Sana, totally about Baba, they do the Lona and Hana Julegre. Nana, number talking there, Lona, and my large across the area. No, I need that Tony Togiam 10 Bacanom.
Hello guys, I'm right now sitting here with the stars of this music video album, Lona. I actually uploaded a post saying mayam kari khangning ba leibige lang leiba taragadi mokhoy ani dagi comment ki section da question and hangbiro hana. More than 30 questions. Right, the first question from Sylvia. She wants to know the ideal type of you both.
People would say it's kind of a lame, but I would say I would like someone who's like my mom, who can take care of me like a mom.
Mine would be my dad.
Noigi sagyam phazai do kai chage.
sakyam phazai se iha madi ai nomada yerum se kuncha. Reason for my skin, beautiful skin, I would say 5 liters of milk each and every day.
That's too much, man.
khang de adi dum mayam na chanari ba normal se dum chai do kano tau de ai yam phazai na su khan de do skin su ko yam phazai ba na te dum mayam phazai khali se adi yam ngai du noi chai de su dum chai
Da Susan do some ka ido kai gino madam am haibi. So many people ask this.
Album namam dai da black on sanjan ba kra bam chemicals me am use to the some se patana so abane ba hair fall ke ka to da right after the album adu maina dum complete shade dum to
Guzing pio man bai kak panate reason lai bagi kak pane. Jeso magi favorite dish she kai no hana hange.
loi na di pa me do season ni makal mom de I like more boiled stuff.
Handak social media da guzing pio manli guzing pio gi Manipuri guzing pio ni and maina hai mayam mazu thengnare dana kai phaubi ge moida kai haining ba lai ge
Instagram da gujin pyoga ga se some hairstyles high fit manaro do high fit manaro ba gi aina some side by side ka photo thajala some girl brothers na tham gi never caption specifically brothers have given ever adu bo mi kha dum criticize on ba lai jana gujin pyo man de nang di adu tawde aina kam khana male ha ge gujin pyo so
Susan is Susan and he's the first Susan. Guzing pio is also Guzing pio. Actually he's Lee Min Ho. Okay. Do you have crush or do you guys have girlfriend boyfriend? Do you guys have?
yeah, I have my crush right in my pocket. Here she is, Cara Delvine.
I don't have any now, but I don't know, in future maybe.
I really hope nate aseng basuma lucky person ama oi kani khalle aduga I hope I can be one. Dancing is happy right now.
Ivanigi fajaraba love story minasinan ay unsigi oina awanu ngai tirana lora lona na nangu yinjaba ba tumin na nangu sena jaba ba Lona nangu yinjaba ba tumin na nangu sena jaba ba
Wow, what a night. We had so much of fun and it was so amazing. Everyone was so supportive. The stars were great and the crew members were great and everyone was so good and yeah, we had so much to eat. We had cakes, we had everything and
Okay, alright. With this wonderful evening, this is Tenzing and Strela signing off with cameraman Naucha, and you're watching Mami Mapao.
thank you. Bye-bye. Love ya. Yes, indeed, it was a very grand success and a grand event. We had so much fun interaction with the actors from the questions that came through Facebook for Mami Mapao. We thank all the questionnaires. Thank you guys, you're great. Mathangda lokochariba Mapao asi handaki ramping releases of feature films ki matangda yengminasi. Anauba film kaya yamna release tawkrabage habani.
Om Vishnu Film Production gi banner makhada puthokpa Thajagi Helmet haina mingthonba feature film ama September gi haukiba tang kunmari nomaizing numita Range Ground Ya School da hongnabi matung inna release tawkhre. B. Surjalata Kudol Tamdeba Pharmacy, GS Lanawi Sairol, Wari Amadi Lamjing Lamtak Makada, Pankatpa Filmni, Hariba Filmasida Idho, Jennifer, Rosan Amadi Ratan Lina Chingba Kayana, Maruiba Mamiroi Singh Oiri. AK Films ki ani subu khudol thoita tree haunabi matungina Sanka Tokista haukiba September gi tangma panda release toduna leibak miyam da khudol tamkhre. Film ase release tobagi thoram aduda Khetragaon Assembly Constituency gi MLA N Indrajit, Film Forum gi President S Mangol Jawamadi IMC gi Mayor L Lokesor Omna thoram gi leiting oikhi. Jitendra Ningombana story, screenplay, lyrics samadi director gi thaudang lorba film ni Thoicha 3 hariba horror film. Beacons Entertainment ki banner makhada puthokpa Tomthin Siza haina mingthonba Bobby Hawamna lamjing lamtakpa Manipuri feature film ama September gi haukiba tang kun humdoida MFDS ta release tawkhre.
Phanayam de release tawgre Manipuri film sings. Film ki mai kai dadi Manipur na mai tare. Naiselle. But wait. As kainu to rijibo. Yai pathoni thoram na mu big thalle. So let's go and have a look.
Lakshmi Narayan Film Production ki banner makhada Chingda Sati Ingele haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film amagi yaifa thauni thoram September gi haukiba tang kuni thoida Manipur Press Club ta pangthokre. Bobby Hawamna lamjing lamtak kadoriba film ase Surmaite gi wari ni amadi Dr. Suresh na puthokadabani. Mandalaima Sonia Maxina Sadanandana Chingba Kayana Maruiba Mamiroi Singh Oiduna Puthokadoriba film asigi yaifa thauni gi thoram aduda Amju gi president Wangkhencha Samjai Film Forum gi hanagi chairman L Surjakant amadi chairman S Mangoljau uhumna mifam gi leiting oiduna pangthokki. RJ Star Production ki banner makhada Laishram Santosh ki wari amadi screenplay re yumfam oiduna aigi sai gi hero haina mingthonba film ama Hemant Kumanna lamjing lamtaktuna RJ na puthokadori. Film asigi yaifa thauni thoram September gi haukiba tang kunmathoida Pajal Sinjamai chinga mathakta pangthokre. Sanjoy CH na cinematography ki thodang lorba film asida Yoimai Mongsabana editor gi sintha pangbaga loinana Bala Soma Khaba Johnny Suraj na chingba kayana maruiba Mamiroi Singh oiduna saktam langgadori. Inkhalakpagi mahusagi nungsi nungonda mangau thina ngauri ngai matamda aibu nungsiba miyoi ani gi maraktagi karambabu khangadagi haina hanglakpa wahangi paukhum amakhak pinaba laknariba film ni aigi saigi Maram Chanu haina mingthonba film amagi yaifa thauni thoram su September gi haukiba tang kun taret ta pangthokre. Khana Chauba Ibuda Wangbrain Film Production ki banner makhada puthokadorba feature film ase Manaubi MM gi mayekta Bijkutta Laishram na direction pigini. Kwa Kaithel Akham Lekai da pangthokiba thoram aduda Film Forum Manipur gi chairman S Mangoljau K Ranjit Didi Thaisi Di Korunthang amadi Govindas Konthau Jamga loinana Manipuri film gi lamda singthaningai oiriba artist kaya su sakyakhi. Lucky 7 Stars ki banner makhada taret suba khudol oina tamgadoriba Yaipubi Yaifabi haiba Manipuri feature film asigi Yaiphathongni thoram amasu September gi haukiba tang kuni thoida Manipur Press Club ta pangthokre Prane Yungkhamgi wari screenplay amni dialogue ta pankhat kadori film asi Capidas na lamjing lamta kadori Art and Culture की Deputy Secretary Athokam Romita, IFCD की Deputy Financial Advisor MFS N Suranjan, Film Forum की Chairman S Mangoja Uhumna, Film Asigi Yaiphathongni thoram aduda sarkyakhi.
Manipur se lepa leitana art amadi entertainment gi lamda thawang na khongjel yangsilak. So best wishes from Mami Mapao team. Anyways, let's take a short break from this overloadness of entertaining news. We'll be right back.
Housing for All by 2022 mission PMAY CLS Urban Amadi Graben gi makhada hanana urban area khaktamak subsidized home loan gi khudong chaba pizarambadu hojikti rural area gi supai khatjare lupa lakh taruk fawgi loan amount ta interest rate 8.6% per annum EMI lakh amada lupa chani pan ga hom tramari urban area gi oina interest subsidy asi lupa lakh aniga lising hom phutare ni amadi rural area gi oina lising kuntrani pani zero processing fee oigini regular home loan lupa lakh taruk tagina lakh yankhai fawbada interest rate ase 12.5% per annum ni hena kupamarol gidamak Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited ki head office uripok amadi branch office singda lengsin biraklaga khangbiraba yagani terms and conditions apply khanganjariba Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited.
Welcome back again, Amukahanna Mayambu Taramnokcheri. That was indeed a long line. Wait, what follows this hype of entertainment yet again with the making of all the movies which are to be released soon. So let's go check out the Mapao.
Ibudau Kang Baningthau Film Production gi banner makhada hinghat aina mingthon film ama Kiran Koijam gi wari amadi lamjing lamtak makhada pankatuna lakliba October gi tang 12 da saphong gadawri film asagi cinematography gi thaudang Kiran na lauri editor amadi VFX gi thaudang na Aiso Mani na pangli film asida Thingbaijam Swaran Kumar amadi Rakesh BR ani gi mayek ni RK Birendrajit na Saipanduna Swami Kumar Linda amadi Bidyarani ahumna Saisak Noi Singh oigadawri ba Dayasor Anjali Men Kiran ching kaya na maming tabad tujung laba film asigi Mamiro Singh oiri.
Action jara. Chalo nang chalo. Action. Action jara. Nah bro. Nah tidak.
sida laitre nangondagi hendi aigi image sida aigi thamoi sida
Imalasem inat loisang ilil films ki banner makada miyam gi layoy ba panthona wari mayek amri sairol khudol tamduna mamlasanu taibang pal haina mingthon ma film mama saknar ba filmmaker oken amaksum na lamjing lamtak tuna lakliba october ki tang tara mathoi da sapong na ba honari sada mari fumanga ki chang losilak la film ase nungsi nungon loina na iram damas ki chana kanglonda maru oina yumpham oiduna pankhatpa top top makhal gi saklon pu film mama oigadori takhel mafau thang pat mapal Thojam Hairang Goithong Sanjenbam Ashina Chingba Tongan Mapam Kaya Namliva film ni Mamlasanu Taibang Pal Mohon Kanglana film asigi cinematographer gi Thaudang Lauri Yoi Mayai Nong Sabana editor gi Thau Pangli Ready Yumnam Niki Sorokaivam Silvia Thongam Priyo Gopal Sharma RK Sorojini na Chingba Kayana Maruiba Mamiroi Singh Oirba film asigi Saisak Loina Arvin Soiba Mamadi Pusparani Anina Oiri film asira sapong lakpa matamda miyam puna khangminase khunai asigi karamba channel lonamadi Lairai Pak ni haina riba iram damasi karaba nungsi rolbu film masina paudam liba
hoje akhoi langjari basi maitai gi asengba akhoi gi mamangai yelongai ngalingai matamda akhoi na mai tharamde laisha phumami phumagi komsi mai tawjaraga sida aina phumjage khanjabani last 30 ya aina film namjarakoda masigi film sa top masak amadi oigani haibasi age thajabani
NNP Films production ki banner makada ani subo na naito mai na mingthom na film ma Dinesh Pungdongmom na lamjing lamtak tu na puthok na ba sem shari Indrabhanu amadi Tamani na puthok ni ba film asigi cinematography amadi editor ki thaugai boy yaikom na lauri film asigi Sehik Singh Sori Senjam de AK Yangoi ani na Saipali amadi Senjam amadi Yangoi ani galoi na Surmana Saishakli makhal kya gi nungsi mari de yumpa moidona pankhet li film asida Kaiku Olen Zemshan Sori Senjam Bala Maxina Gayatri na chingba kaya mana marui ba mamiroi sing oiri Sunrise Film Production ki banner makada Jitendra Niyomana lyrics, story, screenplay amadi direction piduna Laishabi macha haina mingthon ba film ma safongnan na ba yamna kanna honari Sides Iroma amadi Prasan Sarkar anina putok ni film asigi cinematography ki Thaudang Sarat Chandra na lauri editor ki Sinna Vinan na Pangli
Nupi macha mana fatabali chalu badigi lamsat kamu badigi magi physical da ma ahong wala ko matam da bakoi family da thengnar ba conflict mayam ma ahlam na kari una logba adugi mana aran bli chalu badagi mangol thengnar ba wa conflict mayam singse maji simaju una na hona bane aduga aina leisabi gi masa haraga mina thango jukja ko tuga ba maduna taba asengba woman na ba asengba woman na sina kadai bobo thawang na lori hai ba se aina simaju utbani
huji khoi le jarisi MDU hall dani mafam asida film asigi last scene ori ba khoi gi mayam na hayeng yeng bada thamoi da nuksiba ma pokada ba ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯅꯝꯃꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯀꯦꯁꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏቬꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ
I request everyone, even my fan, even my family, even my relatives, like me Kudimak, even my friend out there in Mumbai and everywhere. I request everyone to watch this movie because this movie gives a lot of lesson to everyone, and I'm very very lucky to be part of this movie.
Rabaina music ki thaudang lawruba Manipuri feature film asida Birzit Soma Avi Laitom Sa Narendra Ningomba Gayatri Lelabati na chingba saknai na kayana mamiroi oiri saktam langli.
Hing Heart is releasing this 13th October and Mamlasanu Taibang Pao is going to be released on 11th October. Wishing a very grand success to all the teams from Mami Mapao. Mathangi Mapao oina pujarak liba asina the second edition of a fashion event called Colors of Love, which was the highlight of love to be bold and beautiful.
So guys, we're done with the first round, the second round and the third round, and the designs were awesome. And as you can see, I'm with the fourth designer and her creativity is, yeah, it's also awesome, I would say. So it's about to start the show actually, the fourth round in the Colors of Love second edition. So catch us there.
Colors of Love haina mingthom fashion parade amagi anisuba edition September gi hokki batang kulhum doida North EU sigleba Hotel Imphal da pangthokre hariba thoram ase model kyana ramp walk chatuna fashion gi oiba thoram ma pangthok bakhak natana Manipur amadi Nagaland ani gi nat gi oiba chatna lon culture handloom amadi heirloom singbusu hena pakthok chawthok malem saktak na ba pandam su thamli Blue Wings na maru oina thaudang loba loina sinlang na pangthok liba thoram aduda Manipur ki Roslyn Khongsai Zubita Swab Lentileni Rosimei Vavirani amadi Bobosa Laishram loina loina na Nagaland gi Lia Jamir amadi Vilhausa Movie hariba designer singa sigi polam sing shu utki
So guys, this is me back again. And the show is finally over. Kamay na tawag kibuno di khangde, but it's over. I'm hungry, I'm tired, and I'm missing my home right now. So that was the show Colors of Love second edition by Nisi Khan. And it's a show to bring peace, love and unity amongst all the diversity of Manipur and Nagaland. So that was the show Colors of Love second edition. So this is Trella again, shining out.
Colors of Love was indeed a bold and audacious expression of designer wares and collection which was displayed at the fashion parade. Mathang chahidasu hena mapung fana chauna silakpo oisani. Finally, we have the awaited release of musical collection known as Play the Moments Season 1, releasing function at Hotel Imphal.
So finally the wait is over. Tantha presents Equa Happy Play the Moments Season 1 is here. Mayam na matang kuina ngay narakpa Play the Moments ngasidi release tawgadore mayam DVD da soy da na market la ani mayam soy da na yingview. Now let's see what they've got for us.
Haukim September Gitang Taruk Tang Junumita Hotel Infal the play the moment sign Mington fusion music the bass toba Changying on a section by Isai no my joy but Tauramagi Han session Mapung Fana Pangtokre Tanta Amade Panda Music and Films and in a similar Pangtoki Tauramada Hem Guru Mayumna Music Direction Piba play the moments ki Han volume so released Oki Hariba Isai Singer say Sangnar filmmaker Makon Manimong Saba Made Impact News ki editor in chief Yunam Rupa Chandra Anina review Oki Manipur Han Boy Pangtok Libatoram Makala say Tantana Kudul Tamli Madi Impact TV na media partner Rona Sarugyari Thoramasida Sadananda Gitarani Dipu Kunung Bala Boni Arvin Soibam Kishore Ningthojama Madi Zashan na Singba Maming Leraba artist kaya na top Makali Isay Mahaw Ama Kudol Tam
Okay guys, I'm going to introduce you to the guy who is behind all this thing, the director, the music composer of Play the Moments, Mr. Hem.
Say matam khara say khara taram maga matam khara le say loi gi bnu mitel loi ba the front man sing dum off and on every director sing dum say sakhini ada ngasai gi behind the music composition dumat gi maning da lairi ba sing sidi unseen and unsung heroes hey unseen and unsung heroes me amche asi sikitang front word ukhalapang amna bo kana jab DVD se akoi release tawre like other films or other DVD releasing just after releasing akoi will be available in the market asi different genre da hanba adagi cover tawba anobo composition lumakhal kitang shori sai manga khatani yawi sidi
Guys, I've already heard the songs, they are so wonderful. You're not gonna realize it's a big surprise for you all.
Say Hamada Parani had a Tonjabi say Mahana Sakti along with Sataditya Raskumar. And then second one is jazz music. I see the solo in a Sakivanika.
Si the Sakivanga Saki jazz kido. Ado hapetang viewers ki oina kitang ngang biram magadi am ngaini.
Igidi nang shay ta sing nung shi nang tanay githa moy khang bidabani. Igidi nang shay ta sing na pamjay nang tana nung shi hay na khang tuktabani. Aha 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 aha.
Wow, that was so beautiful and you look so gorgeous tonight. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much.
Different style of singing hai tare koi folk ki oiriba dagi chanariba lamdamasida khara tongan sakna ba isai sing style amada sakna na bagi tanja platform amadi ain experience pangaure hai tare sidagi uji maksu sai ba sing se ko akoina sai ba isai style sina amani dai hujik saknariba adagi ngasigi play the moment sida sakliba isai sing sidi magi chatliba lambi do sai sak to tongala gasu Play the moments to pun mane aduna presentation di pura tongale hai tare
Play the moments aina ngasi pangtok liba so sima yamna ai nongai yeng bada yamna thaga chaninge aina mangfang na siga hai tare aina just siga manaba pota koi gi moina di hana tau grabni na koi MTV unplug kumba ready coke studio sigi poche koi manipur da karam kanda sumaina to style je u phang na dra kaina aina sum mangja gi bado adang ngasi di sumaina khangudana koi gi Panda films adi tantha si myam ko samnaraga play the moments aina sumaina so ma silbira ko ja si hum live ko banaya je bataye
Play the moments are ba musical journey ma haizarage ko masi Manipur da first time ne na haizage aduga unplug songs adagi without track adagi live music and adagi singer masana laga on stage live to perform tauba hangai di isai taba matamda aikoina lampak gumba taba dagi YouTube ta thadro akanda taba ngai ba aduda yam sing na taba hongba isai dugi quality dong asi play the moments ki skino sa platform sa taba fangen haizaning
the viewers sing dai na hining badi play the moments ki isai sing asi fazana ta view dagi nung si view so support of you Walk up,
have all the cover songs, all your favorite cover songs in here. You can grab the latest DVD just near to your shop at the market. Now that's all for today. This is Tenzing with cameraman Naucha and you're watching Mami Mapao.
Yay, was that surprising! Balahism performing for the first time on stage with fusion songs. Many more exciting exclusive shows to be coming soon. Dear viewers, that's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you liked it. Mathangi episode ta tongan ba ano ba entertainment gi mapaw sing amuk pudo na lakshike. But dear fans and followers, as always, do send us your feedbacks at www.facebook.com/Mami Mapao. Thank you for watching Mami Mapao. Goodbye.